Sri Lanka, a tear-shaped island paradise located in South Asia with diverse wildlife, breathtaking landscapes, vibrant beaches, and a living history. We landed in Colombo, and the first thing we did is rented a vehicle because having your own vehicle is more convenient. So we checked into the famous Grand Well Hotel, which has a stunning sea view balcony and an incredible infinity pool. Then we went out to explore more of Colombo. So I had a great time in Colombo for one day, but I'm gonna come back to Colombo. But today we are going on a road trip to Sigiriya. Which has a very famous rock of Sri Lanka, which is the Lion Rock. So we are going to see that, as well as on my road trip I'm gonna see the countryside of Sri Lanka as well. So let's go. After a day in Sigiriya, we headed towards Kandy. The weather was rainy and the roads were beautiful. We took a stop to have our breakfast. Then we headed towards Ambuluvawa Tower. And on our way, we found this beautiful lake. And climbing up to this tower was a crazy experience, as the top section was getting narrow and narrow as we were climbing up. The views from the top was really worth it. There was a cute little souvenir shop at the bottom of the tower. Kandy was really beautiful, and the rain continued as we headed towards Ella. We were very excited about Ella as it is one of the most beautiful hill stations of Sri Lanka. And it also has the iconic 9 Arches Bridge, which is a masterpiece of Sri Lankan engineering. Now we came to Ella station to experience the world's most beautiful train journey. Skipping the crowded route, which is Ella to Kandy, we took the train from Ella to Damodara. I'm in Ella today and we are going to see the Ravana waterfall. I have heard it's beautiful, so let's see. After experiencing the hill stations of Sri Lanka, we headed towards the coastal areas and we started from Mirissa.
Time flies by and I see beyond the disguise. Look into the sun's eyes. Love happens. And all the world is bright again, and now the sky is light again, and all the world is bright again. Home is where we're living.
We stayed at the most beautiful and Instagrammable location in Ahangama.
On this warm sky, hilltops. On this sunrise, hold.
Next, we headed towards Digwella to explore more beaches and the famous rope swing. And now comes the last destination of our trip, which is the historic city of Galle, with beautiful cobblestone streets and centuries of colonial history. We had the perfect gelato, which marked the ending of our trip to Sri Lanka.